I don't wanna hurt like that. Girl, you gotta have my back. Me and you, your body on my body.
She cooks lasagna in a dishwasher. I'm very conflicted. I'm watching this video. Am I gonna get very upset watching this? Probably, but I'm gonna stress myself out anyway. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's watch me stress myself out. Okay? Okay.
I do believe that launch.
There is no way. There is no way. There is no way. She just uses a syringe. To put laundry soap to wash her clothes. We're 12 seconds in, and I'm already stressed. But let's keep going.
Detergent does run a scam on people. I learned how to conserve my detergent by my method at work, drawing blood. The measurements are very precise. By using the amount that I put inside of the syringe, it weighs out correctly, so I'm not overdoing it. I'm gonna save this.
What is that for?
First off, because it's clean. Secondly, I don't have to buy cotton swabs. So I use it to remove my nail polish, my makeup. I'm using the lint right now to apply my compact powder on my face. It shades it out very
I don't know whether to be like,
This is it for cotton swab would.
like she's being conservative. Like,
About how sanitizing is. If
it gets to a
been
point.
dried and ran through the washer and they've been washed, therefore the lint is clean itself.
It's lint.
Stephanie has
It's
countless
lint.
money-saving tactics. By using just
Okay.
one light bulb that she moves from room to room, she saves more than $60 a month.
We're gonna pause that right there. One light bulb. One light bulb in the entire house. One. And you moving it to each room you go to. Okay. Save your money, I guess. We should all learn to conserve, guys.
On her electric bill.
Stephanie has a good job. She works at a doctor's office. She does have a lot of money saved up. She doesn't want to spend nothing. This is ridiculous, but I do it because I love Stephanie, so.
In our house, we have
Leave her.
what we call
I'm
Navy
sorry.
showers.
Maybe
I'm not allowed to
showers?
take long showers because Stephanie wants to save water for the water bill. I go in, turn water on, reach my body off.
Cut the water off. Lather your body down. Make sure you get every area so you don't miss anything. You can't come back to it
Turn it back on, reach the soap off my body.
and get out.
I don't really get to watch my full body. Like,
So you're just walking around
I'm a
stinking?
grown ass man. I should be able to just get in there and take a manly shower.
Yes, you should. So why aren't you? Is this real? Like, let's keep watching.
Turn it off.
To keep her water bill down, Stephanie found a way to make
There is no way. She's listening to make sure he turns the water off. He's just trying to take a shower. He's just trying to take a shower. There is no way this is real. Like,
sure Patrick sticks to a 2-minute shower.
Right now, Patrick.
Stephanie has a baby monitor.
can still hear you. My family feels that my cheapskate ways are not there. But I don't really care. This is my reusable boiling water. Yes, I know it may be a little chunky, but it saves me from spending more money on my water bill by cutting on the water.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Y'all. What? Okay. Let me keep watching. Just let me like we're only 2 minutes in. We're only 2 minutes. Okay.
Put more water in the pot, dumping it, and doing it all over again. So I save my water. Lunchtime. Come on, let's eat.
When you gonna change that water?
I'll change it in due time. Just don't rush me, because the more you ask me that, the longer I have to keep it.
No, you don't. No.
Is it good? It is? You gonna eat all your food? Yeah. Or whatever you don't eat, I'm gonna say. I am able to make the most of every food and drink.
Those kids are going through it. They don't know. They don't know what they missing. They don't know what they missing. And she wrong for feeding them that. Mama, how you gonna do that? How you gonna do that to the kids? Okay, let's
that
keep
we
watching.
have in this house by reusing. If it doesn't get all drunk up, I pour it back. If it doesn't get all slopped up, I put it back in its container. Say,
is she in a mental facility now? She has to be, right? There is no freaking way. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. I feel like there's no way. Like, this has to be fake. Like, this is not real. Like, she putting the sauce from the plates back into the jar. Help me.
this pasta sauce for the next spaghetti dinner.
We do not have to be cheap. We really don't. She has money, I have money. Like, what's the point of being so cheap? Or
I believe.
I understand that it saves, but like,
I wouldn't blame you.
she's being too cheap.
With a strict
I actually
monthly
would not
budget of
blame you if you just
$400, there's no
left.
room in Stephanie's world for extra expenses, including entertaining guests.
Patrick really wants to have a football party. I am very unhappy about people coming over to our house.
I wonder why.
We begged her to have people over and be honest with you, like, hands and knees.
Having people over to the house means
Huh?
Stephanie's pockets are getting the.
I wouldn't even invite nobody over. I wouldn't do that. I would be so embarrassed. I wouldn't do that.
Against you, and I do not like that. I'm not going to change what I do to impress your friends. You wanted this party. You know how things go in our house.
Come on.
No.
Visitors.
Dollar cents. I'm just not with the whole people coming over thing. I feel very uncomfortable hosting a football party at our house, but I love Patrick. This football party is throwing my monthly budget way off course. It's not a touchdown.
Do you ever just want to sit down and listen to your professor and not have to worry about notes? I never need to take notes in class and
Oh, she going to the
When
grocery.
I buy fruits and vegetables, I want to pay for what I eat.
That has to be illegal.
Bananas, I'm not going to eat the whole of the banana. I eat the banana itself.
By removing the peels, pits, and stems from fruits and vegetables before they're weighed at the register, Stephanie saves up to $3 per shopping trip.
I have never seen anyone peel bananas and put them in a basket. That is weird.
Yes, ma'am. What can I do for you?
I'm going to be making a lasagna. So I'm going to need some ground beef. By any chance, if you have any other ground beef that's already left over?
It's all sold. We sell it on a daily basis and fresh all the time.
Okay, and so there's nothing that would expire?
Oh, no,
or
ma'am.
about to expire?
No, ma'am. We don't sell expired product here. No, we market. We do everything in that.
Can I see what your beef fat looks like?
Sure, I'll be right back.
All right, thank you. Wow, and how much would 2 pounds of the beef fat be?
Let me cut a piece off and we'll get close to 2 pounds as we can, all right?
Okay.
1.97.
And how much is that?
$2.53, ma'am.
I will take the beef fat.
You'll take the beef
I'm
back.
satisfied with that. I have my ground beef over here. I'm going to stretch out the beef by adding the rest of this, or whatever's left from this, to stretch it out for the lasagna.
By supplementing the meat with the beef fat, Stephanie saved 75% on the ingredients for her lasagna.
This is why we save the sauce. Now, to save
Drink some
money,
water.
I multitask with washing dishes and cooking meals with my dishwasher. I just gotta make sure I wrap it really well, or else the food will get wet.
With the dishwasher reaching a temperature of 107.
Do it all the time. Hey, girl.
Run.
Adrian.
People over, I'm not very excited.
He got a
I
lot of
want to be
people.
embarrassed.
Why did you invite them?
Come on! Hey, this is the second time we did that. I gotta save money for electricity. Sorry.
I can save money for electricity.
I have to.
Run.
I have to turn it off when it's a commercial. No, they having this. I'm sorry. No, we ain't
Right.
having this at all. Stephanie's very cheap. She's the person I've seen in a long time, I'll tell you that.
Girl, excuse me, please.
I thought the walking around with the candle was really insane. People can use the light.
Of course.
Yeah, this whole thing.
They're eating that.
That's good, right?
To be cooked in a dishwasher? The lasagna tastes like water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Nasty.
Stop eating.
Embarrassing, very, like,
Don't speak.
like, what the heck? She's pretty cheap.
I get the utmost satisfaction being the cheapskate that I am. It's for me and my family, not anybody else.
You don't deserve a family.
It was the Stephanie way, and the Stephanie way is the better way.
The Stephanie way is the best way. Okay? I'm so glad. Finally, the torture is over. It's over. That was a lot. That was a lot to deal with. And I feel like I'm going to need therapy after that. There is no way that that is the same person, right? How? In the... Well, if this video stressed y'all out like it stressed me out, leave a like on the video. If y'all want me to stress myself out again and react to another one, let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I will see y'all in the next video.